Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. How are you today? Today I am here with Donna, and today we are going to talk about going to school and studying English.
Hello, everyone. I am very happy to be here today. Let's start our conversation.
Donna, do you like school?
Yes, I do. I like school very much.
That is nice to hear. What do you like about school?
I like learning new things.
What is your favorite subject?
My favorite subject is English.
Why do you like English?
I like English because it helps me talk to people from many countries.
That is a good reason. What about you, Wilbert? I also like English.
When do you study English?
I study English every day.
How long do you study?
I study for about 1 hour every day.
That is great.
What do you do when you study English?
I read books and listen to podcasts.
Do you watch English videos too?
Yes, I do.
What kind of videos do you watch?
I watch videos for beginners.
That sounds helpful.
Yes, they use easy words.
Do you practice speaking English?
Yes, I practice speaking every day.
Who do you practice with?
Sometimes I practice alone.
How do you practice alone?
I read sentences aloud.
That is a good idea.
Sometimes I talk to myself in English.
Many learners do that.
It helps me feel more confident.
Confidence is very important.
Yes, it is.
Do you like writing in English?
Yes, but writing is difficult for me.
What is difficult about writing?
Spelling is difficult sometimes.
I understand.
Some English words are hard to spell.
That is true.
Do you use a notebook?
Yes, I have an English notebook.
What do you write in it?
I write new words and sentences.
That is very useful.
Do you keep a vocabulary list?
Yes, I do.
How many words do you learn every week?
I learn about 10 new words every week.
That is wonderful.
Small steps are important.
I agree.
Do you study grammar?
Yes, I study grammar a little every day.
Is grammar easy for you?
Some parts are easy and some parts are difficult.
I feel the same way.
Let us talk about simple grammar.
Great idea.
We can say, I study English every day.
That sentence uses the present simple tense.
Yes, we use it for habits and routines.
Here is another example. She goes to school every morning.
That is a useful sentence.
Many people use it every day.
Let us give another example.
They play soccer after school.
Very nice.
Do you know regular verbs?
Yes, many regular verbs add ed in the past tense.
For example, play becomes played.
Another example is walk and walked.
What about irregular verbs?
Irregular verbs change in different ways.
For example, go becomes went.
And eat becomes ate.
These verbs are important.
Yes, students should practice them often.
Let's talk about pronunciation.
Good idea.
Some learners say every word very fast.
It is okay to speak slowly.
Slow and clear English is very good.
I agree.
What do you do in the morning before school?
I wake up at 7 o'clock.
Then what do you do?
I brush my teeth and eat breakfast.
What do you eat for breakfast?
I usually eat bread and eggs.
That sounds delicious.
Then I prepare my school bag.
What do you put in your bag?
I put my books, pencils, and notebook inside.
Do you take water with you?
Yes, I always bring water.
That is healthy.
How do you go to school?
I take the bus.
How long is the trip?
About 20 minutes.
Do you like riding the bus?
Yes, because I can read on the bus.
Very nice.
What do you do during lunchtime?
I eat lunch with my friends.
What do you talk about?
We talk about school and hobbies.
That sounds fun.
Yes, it is.
Do you have homework every day?
Almost every day.
Do you like homework?
Sometimes yes, and sometimes no.
I understand that feeling.
Homework helps us practice.
That is true.
What is your favorite way to study English?
I like listening practice
Why do you like listening practice?
because I can hear real English.
That is important.
Podcasts are very helpful.
Thank you for listening to our podcast today.
We hope it helps your English.
What about you?
Do you study English every day?
Please write your answer in the comments.
We would love to read your answers.
Do you study in the morning or in the evening?
Please tell us below.
If you are enjoying this conversation, do not forget to like and subscribe.
Thank you for supporting the channel.
Donna, what advice do you have for English learners?
Practice a little every day.
That is good advice.
Do not be afraid to make mistakes.
Mistakes help us learn.
Yes, they do.
Learning English takes time.
Be patient and keep going.
You can do it.
We believe in you.
Today, we talked about school and studying English.
We learned many useful words and sentences.
Today was a lot of fun.
I enjoyed our conversation today.
Thank you, everyone, for listening.
See you in the next episode.
Goodbye, everyone.
Bye.